Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm making a full Desi Iftar. Hope you guys enjoy. First of all, I'm preparing the dough for Katlamas. For that I'm using 2 cups plain flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1 tablespoon oil. Now I'm gradually adding water and mixing well. Now I've spread some flour on my prep table and kneading the dough. I'm adding the dough back into the same bowl, applying some oil, covering it with cling film and leaving it to rest for around 15 minutes. Now I'm making the keema mixture. For that I'm using 1 onion, 2 green chilies, handful coriander, 2 garlic cloves, 1 piece of ginger and adding them all into the blender. Now I'm adding half kg minced mutton, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of cumin powder and blending it once again. Now I'm adding the mixture into a bowl and gonna start making the katlama. Today I'm showing you 3 simple ways of making layers. You can also use these methods for making parathas. For the first method, I'm taking some dough, making it into a round ball and flattening, then going to apply some oil and plain flour, rolling it into a cylindrical shape and twisting it around. Then I'm repeating this method again to give extra layers. You can repeat this method up to 3 times. Now I'm rolling it out, adding the keema mixture, then closing it. For the second method, I'm using a folding technique. adding plain flour and oil in each fold. For the third method, I'm flattening the dough out, adding plain flour and oil, cutting in half and twisting it around. For the second and third methods, you can find a detailed example on my previous videos, which I have linked in the description below. Here I'm making some chicken pakoras. For that I'm using half kg boneless chicken, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 chopped green chili, bit of coriander, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, half cup corn flour, 1 cup gram flour, and a pinch of food color, adding little bit of water and mixing all the ingredients. Now I'm making some sugar syrup for jalebis. For that I'm adding 1 cup water and 2 cup sugar. Once the sugar is dissolved, then I'm adding 1 teaspoon lemon juice. I'm going to boil the sugar syrup until it's slightly sticky. Now let's prepare the jalebi batter. For that I'm using 1 cup plain flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 cup yogurt and a pinch of food color. Now I'm gradually adding water and whisking it. Now I've heated oil in a pan and making the jalebis. The shape didn't come out as I wanted, as I was running out of time and the batter was thin. I'll make this recipe again for you guys with the better shape in a future video. Now I'm just dipping the jalebis in the sugar syrup and placing in a plate. Now I'm frying the chicken pakora. I'm frying them until they cook through. Finally, I'm frying katlama on low to medium heat so that the keema mixture cooks through. It was a very hectic day in kitchen as I was running out of time and trying to make this Desi Iftar for you guys. And please do comment what you would like to see me cook in future videos. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. See you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.